Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me. So if you guys want to stick with me and get ready together, then you are more than welcome. If this is your first time clicking this video, welcome to my channel my loves. And if you want to get ready with me, if you like makeup, if you like beauty tips, if you like any beauty related, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that way you guys stay notified whenever I post a video. And if you are already subscribed, welcome back my loves. But yeah, without any further ado, let's go ahead and start this video. Sometimes I really hate wearing contacts because there's these days that they start to bother me and I just don't understand why. But anyways guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. First thing first, I'm gonna apply my primer. I like to apply it right here on the T-zone. And then usually I use my hands, but today I'm gonna use my sponge just to blend it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation. What the heck? I just broke my foundation's top. Like, what? I didn't know I was that strong. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation. And this is in the shade Natural Beige. Grabbing my sponge, I'm gonna blend my foundation. Let me know in the comments down below if you tried this and if you like it. I am very curious to know the foundations that I use, if it works for you. So let me know if you guys like this foundation. Me personally, I like it. Like, it leaves your skin very nice. In today's makeup, I'm gonna do something very simple, something very fast. If you were to ask me what type of makeup looks I enjoy doing, I would say that I love doing like a simple glam makeup because besides the fact that it's fast, I get to work on my complexion a bit better. Whereas if I was to do like a very dramatic, very bold eyeshadow, I will give more time to do my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and use the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer, and I'm going to apply it right here. And I learned this technique on TikTok. Usually I will go ahead and just blend my concealer right away, but I heard that you have to let your concealer sit there for a few seconds. This concealer, if I let it sit there for, you know, more than a minute or something, it gets really hard, so it will be harder for you to blend it out. But just wait for like 10 to 12 seconds for this concealer in particular, and then you start blending it. Alright guys, so I am done blending my concealer underneath my eyes. So now I'm gonna also apply it right here on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, and a little bit on my chin, because I tend to fast forward how I apply my concealer. But if you are a beginner, I don't want you to think that blending your concealer is fast. Is, you know, I just don't want the video to be super long, but I recommend you guys to take your time to blend your concealer. Take the time to see that it is nicely blended on your skin. And sometimes I myself like will go fast, will do my makeup super fast, and at the end I'm like, oh shoot, I should have taken the time to blend this out. And so yeah, just when you're doing your makeup, it's like when you're doing anything else, if you do it with love, trust me, you're gonna love the result as well. Now that you're finished blending your concealer, grab your mirror and look very closely if everything is nicely blended. You specifically want to check if your under eyes is nicely blended, because you're gonna go ahead and set your entire face. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Airspun translucent powder. So you also want to pay attention, if you are an oily person, pay attention to where you get more shiny. And me specifically, I tend to get a lot of oils on my forehead and on the side of my nose. So I will go ahead and apply translucent powder right here. I'm just gonna let it sit there for a little bit, just for it to bake while I set my under eyes. And then whatever I have on my sponge, I'm just going to tap my face and just kind of like blend your translucent. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my bronzer. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. bronzer, and this is in the shade Tan. With the bronzer, I just like to apply right above my cheekbones, because the higher you put it, the more enhanced your face is gonna look. And this bronzer is just to warm up my skin tone. And I also apply it right here on my forehead. Alright you guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and also define my nose. Grabbing my bronzer again, I'm gonna grab my brush and I'm going to start right here. And then I'm going to grab my sponge and blend the bronzer. And then I'm going to grab translucent powder. And leave the translucent powder there for a minute, and that will help your nose be more sculpted. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. pomade, this baby right here, and I'm also going to use the e.l.f. Brow brush. This is their newest brush collection, and I just think it's absolutely so beautiful. So first things first, you want to brush your brow hairs. And then I am applying my brow gel from Milani, and this gel is going to help your brows stay there longer. Alright you guys, so now I'm gonna apply concealer underneath my eyes just to sculpt my eyebrows better. I'm gonna use the P. Louise base. This is really gonna help highlight my brows, and if you have concealer, you could also use that. And then whatever I have left, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it all over my lid, because afterwards I'm gonna apply my eyeshadow. Alright you guys, so now that our brows is nicely done, I'm then gonna go ahead and apply my eyeshadow, which is my favorite part, because I am doing like a very, you know, easy eyeshadow look for an everyday use. And typically I like to use this palette. This is the e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette. It has a lot of colorful and very nice neutral eyeshadow as well. And I also gravitate towards the Dose of Colors palette, because if I show you guys, look at these colors, they're so pigmented, so cute. Going with the Dose of Colors Sassy Sienas, I'm gonna grab this baby right here, and I'm going to apply it like on my crease. I'm gonna first like start tapping this baby here, and as you guys notice, this is super pigmented, and I really love the color because it is high and rich. And then whatever I have left on my brush, I'm just blending it inwards. Going with the e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette, I'm gonna go with the shade Fuego, which is this baby right here. and grab your small blending brush. Just blend that transition color that you apply. And so just like this, I'm gonna go ahead and apply like a dark brown on my outer corner. Going with this palette again, I'm going to grab this shade right here. Going with Fuego again, you want to blend out the outer corner. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply a shimmer shade right here on my inner corner. And again, this is super easy. There's no cutting the crease or anything. So that's why I really enjoy doing this type of looks, because it's all about blending your outer corner and then going with your inner corner, and then lastly applying a shimmer shade on your inner corner. It's just one of my eye looks that I really enjoy doing. I'm going to apply Paraíso, this baby right here. This is one of my favorite shimmers on this palette because it is super cute. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do exactly the same step on this eye, and I will be right back with you guys in a second. Okay guys, so this is how this eye is coming out. I'm not gonna go ahead and apply my mascara. I already curled my lashes, so I'm gonna use this baby right here, which is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. Just to open up my eyes a little bit, I'm gonna apply this white eyeliner. You guys are wondering, this is the NYX Professional Makeup Eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my blush. I'm gonna use the Serafina by Juvia's Place. Okay you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips now. Going with my lip liner, which is the LA Girl Ultimate Lip Intense Auto Liner, and this is in the shade Non-Stop Nude. And now I'm gonna use my lipstick, this baby right here. This is the NYX Matte Lipstick in the shade Dainty Days. I haven't used this lipstick for the longest. I remember when I first bought it, this is all I was using. Alright you guys, so lastly, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my highlighter. Today I'm going to use this baby right here. And last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and spray this whole entire face. So yeah guys, that is how this makeup came out. Super cute. I'm gonna go and change my clothes and I will be right back with you guys in a second. Alright my love, so this is the final look of this makeup. Let me know if you guys enjoy watching this tutorial. Again, I think that it is super cute and super glam. If you enjoyed this, get ready with me, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Hit that bell notification so that way you guys stay notified whenever I post a video. And without any further ado, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day and I'll see you guys in my next video.